How to use noise reduction in AudioMass. First of all, open AudioMass in your browser and import your audio file by clicking on File and then load from computer, or simply drag and drop your audio file into the workspace. Next, you need to select a small selection of your audio that contains only the background noise you want to remove. After selecting the noise sample, go to the Effects menu at the top and click on Noise Reduction Voice. This will instantly reduce noise in the selected section of the audio. If you want to apply noise reduction to the whole audio, select the entire track before applying the effect. To check the difference, you can use the undo feature from the Edit menu or press Shift+Z to revert to noise reduction. Noise reduction in AudioMass is a simple yet effective tool to clean up your audio by minimizing unwanted background sounds. And that's it. Now you know how to use noise reduction in AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.